Hey everybody, Warren Joyce here again. Today we're going to make a cheesecake, and this is by request from one of our subscribers. Shout out to Willow. So I hope you enjoy this. It's going to be really good, and I love to make cheesecake, and it's my daughter's favorite. So here we go. All right, so what we have is some cinnamon graham crackers here, and I'm going to use about a pack and a half. Because if you buy a box of these, you get 3 packs in it. So just break those up, and this is going to be our crust. Okay, so about a pack and a half, like I said. All right, so here we go. Just kind of push that down. Put our lid on. Okay. Then I'm going to chop it up so it's pretty smooth. Okay. Now what we're going to do is I have 1 stick of butter that I melted. So I'm going to pour that in. Mix it up pretty good. All right. One other thing I forgot to add real quick. I take 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and add to this because we like cinnamon. So we like a real cinnamon flavor in it. Okay, so give that. All right, so what we have here is 4 packets of cream cheese, 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sour cream, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of vanilla. All right, so you have to make sure that all of your ingredients are at room temperature. So these have been sitting out for a couple hours, and that just makes the blending of everything go a lot better, okay? Oh yeah, hey, there I am, guys. So it makes everything go a lot better, okay? So let's look back down here. Well, first thing we're gonna do is we're going to cream our sugar and our cream cheese together, okay? All right. Now you don't want to over mix anything because you don't want to add a bunch of extra air into your batter, okay? Because all that will create a crack in the the cake when it's baking and when it's cooling down. All right, and it'll make it to rise up too much. All right, so now you take your cup of sour cream, just put it in there. I always hate those videos when they they leave it just like that. I can't do that. Something about my OCD won't let me do it. All right, so get all that put in there. Your vanilla and your lemon juice. Okay, so mix that together. All right, so now we have that together, and like I said, you just want to mix it until it's blended. Okay, so now we're going to take 1 egg at a time and blend it till it's just blended, then stop. And that's it. Probably want to wear an apron, as you can see I didn't, but anyhow. All right, so now we wait on our crust to get finished, and then we start with the rest of it, okay? All right, so I have the crust out, and so what we've done, we're gonna take a look at this down here, is I have taken a piece of tin foil, and we're going to create just an extra barrier along the edge of my cheesecake pan, the springform pan, whatever. And you want to do this just so that the water that you use doesn't leak in it. So next, we're going to take this and put it in our water bath. Put it in our water bath and then put it in the oven. All right, so we have our hot water. So I'm just going to take this and put this into my roasting pan. You want about an inch or so of water in there. Just kind of gauge it. You don't have to bring your tape measure out. All right, so just set this right in the center. Okay, and our oven is already preheated. So we're going to take this, put it in. And we're going to set the timer for 50 minutes. So it should take around 50 to 60 minutes to bring this to done. It should take about 50 or 60 minutes to, I can't say it. It should take it about 50 or 60 minutes to bake. Then once you have it baked, you want to take it out and open the oven, turn the oven off, and let it cool with the oven open, and then make sure it's all cool all the way through. Put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours or even overnight, and then it'll be ready to eat. All right, so we have our cheesecake. It's been about 54 minutes, 55 minutes. Took a little bit longer today. So if you want to take a look at it right here, when you bring it out, it's still going to be just a little bit jiggly in the center, and that's exactly how you want it. Okay, so we're just going to leave it in, turn the oven off, and let the oven stay open just like that until it cools completely down. Okay, it's a little bit of a process, but if you want a good cheesecake, it takes time. The cheesecake has cooled completely down and in the oven, like I said before. Then I took it and put it in the refrigerator for right about 4 hours. So now we have a nice cool cheesecake. So what I'm going to do is just take and release my springform pan. And then sometimes they stick just a little bit, so you want to take a little knife and just go around the edge. Voila! You have a beautiful cheesecake. Okay? So now we're going to take this and we're going to slice it. Give me 1 second. Okay. And there you go. It's a beautiful piece of homemade cheesecake. And then you just put your favorite topping on it. And it's good to go. Hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to hit like and the subscribe button, because we need to get as many subscribers as possible. All right? Thanks a lot.